Hey everybody, welcome to this short video on how to update your app icon on Google Play Store. So you can see this is my dashboard. I just want to update one of the icon of my game, so I'll just say okay, let me update this one. Go to store present, store listening. Yeah, you can see this is the icon, so I'm gonna delete this one, then I'll upload another icon. So I've already downloaded the icon. So this is a site where you can get good icon for free, but some are pay, but some are royalty free. So yeah, you just can, you type here www.flaticon.com. so these are a lot of icon here that are premium is the one that you pay, it's not for free. Here you can see king, it means you pay. Download ultimate premium icon for 9 point blah 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 euro per month, so you pay, but the one I'm using is for free. So let's get back to work. So I just want to show you where you can get some popular free icon for free. So let's get back to work. Now let me update the icon. I'm gonna choose which one, like you see, okay, yes, I'm gonna choose this one. So update, and you can see it already load. So before you do that, you have to, when you come here, you check your icon, blah blah blah, you have to click PNG file, and then you click 12, that is 512 for your normal download site for all the app icon that is going to show up on Google Play Store or App Play Store. So that is that. So let's go back there again, and I just click submit update. Successful, blah 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 blah, may take some, but may sometimes take a little longer, so no problem. So everything is finished. Now you see the icon is already there. When you go to App Store, you will see it. This is it, blah blah blah, fishing game. This is the icon. Alright, this is all I have to share with you guys. Thank you for watching. Love and share this video with your family and friends. Up to then, see you.